Hi!
Hello!
Bahala, anong product yun? Sabi na wala, 2 hours.
How are you?
Good.
I'm glad to hear that. Once again, welcome on board. My name is Patricia, along with my supervisor, Miss Marisa. We will be with you for today's flight. For the moment, can I offer with our welcome beverage to start your experience with us?
Yeah, of course.
So
What do you have?
So we have our signature fresh lemon mint, fresh orange juice, water, laban, or
I'll go for the lemon.
lemon mint, certainly, sir. I'll come
Thank you very much.
I would like to welcome you on board this Boeing 777-300 flying at 041. Before we begin our descent into the destination, we'll update you about the latest weather on arrival. Starting aircraft, enjoy your flight to give to Wi-Fi.
This is my order. Codfish. Hey guys, it's my birthday today. Woo! Thank you for tuning in. And for today's video, we are going to Paris. I'm super duper happy. I'm so grateful. Honestly, guys, I really prayed for this. Last year, as you all know, I went to Switzerland and then nag-side trip ako ng Paris. First time ko nag-visit sa Notre Dame and I prayed for this. Sabi ko, Lord, I really wanna go back to Paris. So, I really saved a lot. I worked hard. And then, luckily, itong specific trip na to is really for Beyonce. And I've always been wanting to watch her concert. And sobrang inggit ako sa mga nakikita ko sa TikTok for Renaissance Tour. Eh, tapos na siya. And then, I was super happy nung nag-announce siya ng Cowboy Carter Tour. So, I specifically spent 4 days booking ng ticket, laging sold out, and then luckily lahat ng pre-sale na pinag-registeran ko yung 4th day, which is the VIP sale, doon ako nakascore ng ticket ng VIP. So I scored 3 tickets. Sa dami ng inaya ko, meron akong 2 naaya, including Craig here, natutulog na siya. And then also with me is Raf, pero sa Paris na kami magkikita-kita. And manggagaling siya sa Milan since doon siya nakatira. I'm super excited. I even bought 3 Cowboy Carter hats. Pero wala akong nagustuhan. Pero yung isa, i-deliver siya sa Paris. I mean, pipick upin ko siya sa Paris. So, kulay red siya. I'm super happy. And nagpa-shoot pa ako ng Cowboy Carter kay Seven. So, I posted it exactly on my birthday, which is today. Yan, I'm super happy kasi ang daming birthday greetings, ang daming nakaalala, mga friends. And ang daming natuwa sa shoot. Yan ang galing ni Seven, grabe. Creative styling yun ni Craig na natutulog. Ang galing niya. Sobrang happy ako sa outcome of the shoot. Yun lang, nasa cheese platter na ako. And I'm also drinking some wine. 2 wines. 2 different wines. So we're here now in Qatar Airways. Second leg na ng flight namin to. Yung kanina puro montage lang kasi I really wanted to sleep. But unfortunately, hindi ako masyado nakasleep. So I guess, jet lag to. And after nito, matulog ako talaga para I have energy because we'll be arriving at 7:30 a.m. I still have 4 hours left. We'll see. And I might meet Charles also in Paris. So, yun lang. I'm so excited for this birthday trip. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I'm enjoying it right now. I'm just so happy and grateful. And thank you guys for always supporting, just being there watching me. Thank you so much, guys. And enjoy this vlog. Anyway, this is my favorite Qatar Airways plane pala before I end this. Ang ganda niya kasi yung business class is may door siya. So parang kang may room. Thank you guys so much. And I'll see you later. Ciao. I love you. Okay, so right now we are going to change to our PJs. So there's always a free pajamas that you can wear sa plane. So for both planes, there's 2 pairs of pajamas that you can wear. Then mag-toothbrush na rin ako para I can sleep. Bonjour! We are having our breakfast. Nasa area na kami ng Paris and we are about to descend mga an hour. So we are having our quick breakfast. I'm having my croissant and chocolate Danish. Then some orange jam. Iced coffee. Parang kulang sa akin to. And gising na rin siya. Oh. Good morning! Bonjour! How was your sleep?
Sleepy.
Kulang. Ang dahaya nung table niya, may setup. Sa akin wala. Ba't ganun? Nagbayad naman ako ah. Anyway, yun lang. We'll see you guys in Paris. Ciao! Hey guys! Onto my second coffee. There. And we are going to do this Regeron CPDRN. There's 4 sheets in 1 box. This will keep your face moisturized, diba? Since iba yung weather sa Paris. But it's hot na rin naman there. Ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Ooh! Tcharan!
Cabin crew commence, final secure.
شكرا لاختياركم السفر مع الخطوط الجوية القطرية وتحالف نور.
Hey, we are finally inside our van and I actually booked this via Klook. So if you guys are planning to visit Paris and yung airport nyo is Charles de Gaulle, or I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but if yun yung airport nyo, medyo malayo siya sa city. Yung pick up namin ngayon is 8:25 pero yung dating namin is 10 something. So medyo malayo talaga siya. Kung mag-train kayo, medyo ang hassle. So I would really and highly suggest that you book a van and nandun naman yung range ng prices, and you can also use my code. I have a code for a discount and you will save a lot of time and money. So my code is IAMLARBS Klook. At least yun makasave kayo, and also it's very convenient kasi from point A to point B you'll just have to input their pick up and drop off, tapos i-meet na nila kayo sa airport mismo, tapos you'll go na to your destination. Ganun lang ka-easy. And after this, mag-drop off kami ng luggage kasi 3 PM pa yung check-in. And then after that, mag-explore kami a bit. So, yun lang. We'll see you guys there. Bonjour, Paris! Nag-drop na kami ng luggage and right now we are here sa Desmarais. Actually, dito to kami nakatira sa area na to. And right now, nandito siya sa famous sandwich store na to na na-discover niya, and ito agad yung pinuntahan namin kasi malapit lang siya. So, he's going to try it. Ayan na siya. Nabili niya na yung kanya. Say hi! Hello! So, we're going to try it and then after here, punta kami ng cafe around the area para magtambay muna hanggang check-in time namin ng 3. And then kanina, we also went to Notre Dame. I said thank you and I'm super grateful to be back here. So I prayed again and I prayed for success for Coffee Blanc, of course, and more projects to come para this won't be the last here in Paris. And as you can see, I'm wearing sweater kasi yung weather, it's pretty cool lang. But I think huhubarin ko na rin to maya-maya kasi parang feeling ko papawisan na ako. So yun lang naman. After here, cafe, and then check in later. So we'll see. Arrived in our Airbnb. Look at that cozy place. Super galing kong maghanap, guys. I'm proud of myself. This is not so expensive. It's entire flat. that can be shared up to 3 to 4 people. So as you can see, there's a kitchen wherein you can cook. Meron ding laundry, meron washing, and then this sofa can be transformed into a bed. Tapos meron din ditong table, and also the CR is in here. Tapos there's a room pa. This one naman, I'll show you. Meron ding cabinet wherein you can put your clothes and stuff. And then, kapag dito yung POB, sobrang nice. Very Parisian yung place, the entire flat. Diba? Not bad. I'm always trying my best to look for nice places or nice Airbnb na ganito na hindi super expensive, but you can also ROI when it comes to shooting. So, pwede kang mag-shoot ng very Parisian style na place. Ang dami kong sinave. Isa to sa mga nakita ko na nice. Yung iba kasi na sold out agad. But I'll put the link of this Airbnb sa description box in case you guys are visiting Paris, kasi this location is really nice. Malapit siya sa mga cafes pagbaba mo, and third arrondissement siya. Very, very safe. Nandito lang kami to settle down, and then we're going out. See you guys. Bonjour. We are now going to Maurice Hats. I'm gonna pick up the hat that I'll be wearing for the Cowboy Carter tour on the 22nd. Sana maganda talaga yung quality, kasi upon seeing it sa Instagram handle nila, sobrang ganda. And they even created one for Beyonce sa Chicago tour niya. So, I'm super excited. Yung sa akin is red, and then yung kay Beyonce was denim na Yankee. Mine is red na Yankee cowboy hat. So, we'll see. It's a 30-minute walk from our place. Not bad. This is my view going there. So nice, di ba? Sana sa Pilipinas pwede mong gawin to, no? Pero pag sa Pilipinas, lapot ka eh. So, anyway, we'll see. Got the goods. We'll unbox it later sa bahay. But for now, we are going to Goyard kasi meron akong bag na matagal ko nang gustong bilhin. So, I hope hindi mahaba yung pila and available yung mga kulay na gusto ko, so I can choose from there. So we are now here in Rimowa. So after Goyard, LV, now we're here. They're about to close kasi 7 nagko-close dito lahat ng store. And I really wanted to buy a luggage kasi isa lang yung dinala kong luggage. Kasi alam ko may mga bibilin ako, and also kulang ako ng isang luggage kasi usually kapag Europe trip, 2 luggage yung dinadala. So isa lang yung trunk plus ko na Rimowa. So I'm checking now different colors in matte para pare-pareho lang yung luggage ko. Isa lang yung naiiba, yung metal na hand carry na ginagamit ko palagi. We'll see. Help me choose, please. Here she goes. I now work here.
If you like the beauty divider, there's
I have this color actually.
yeah.
I'm just yeah. Black one for today. We're getting the black. Bonjour, Paris! This is our day 2. Sobrang pagod kagabi, so I wasn't able to unbox all the things that I bought yesterday for you. Pero today, let's do a quick unboxing lang. This is not from Goyard. Nanghingi lang ako ng paper bag sa kanila. But this is from Maurice Hats. Nakita ko na siya kanina. In-unbox ko na siya kagabi, pero I'll open it for you again. So this is the cowboy hat that I'll be wearing. Ooh, that I'll be wearing sa Cowboy Carter. Ooh, look at that. Super nice. It's a Yankee cowboy hat. This is from Maurice Hats. I'll just put ng link sa description. So, next one is something from LV. Ang tagal na nito nasa wishlist ko. Nakita ko to actually last year nung nagpunta ako ng LV store. This one is actually a toiletry bag. Yung toiletry ko kasi na isa yung ginagamit ko, pagod na. I'm gonna show you that one. So, this is the one I'm using. Binigay to sa akin ni Eden. So, sa Barcelona niya to nabili. But this one, ang tagal ko nang gusto. I think, kailangan ko din kasi ng bigger toiletry bag. So, there you go. Ito na siya. There you go. Meron siyang zipper sa side. Ganyan siya. And then when you open it, mabubukas mo siya ng completely. Hindi mo na kailangan tanggalin yung toiletries. Ayusin mo na lang sa sink or kung meron mang table or side table sa... Ba't magkaka-side table sa CR? But anyway, yeah. So it's easier for you to put your stuff. Mas spacious siya. This is actually a gift. Thank you, Dats. Loves you. So, it's a birthday gift. Thank you very much. Okay, next. This is from Goyard. Ang tagal na din itong nasa wishlist ko. And swerte kasi pagdating namin dun, walang pila. As in, pagdating namin, naglakad pa kami nun, partida, for 15 minutes. Pumasok agad kami. So, inassist agad nila kami. Since siguro dahil din naka-Goyard ako na bag. So, extra bait sila. Or I don't know. Okay, let's open it. Ooh. I got the yellow one. And I think, actually, toiletry bag to, pero a lot of people are using this as their daily bag. Parang yung ginagawa ko sa wallet ko, diba? Usually, ginagamit ko siya. So, I have a yellow one na finally. I have a blue and I have a green and I have the classic, yung brown Goyard. So, I'm super happy. So, I'll probably use this today since medyo bagay siya sa outfit ko. Para ganyan-ganyan lang siya. Diba? And pwede ko siyang pang daily. Pagpunta ako sa store, I can just easily put my wallet, cards, keys, receipts, whatever I can put. So, meron siyang zipper sa harap. Quite spacious though. Ito yung main. There. Nice, right? Tapos meron pang organizer dito or pocket. Very simple. And lastly is my Rimowa luggage. Hindi ko na i-unbox kasi ganun din naman yung luggage ko. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo. This is the luggage. Sobrang mura talaga dito. So, dito ko talaga siya pinlanong bilhin at isa lang yung luggage na dinala ko. So, yun lang. Today is another shopping day. This is the official shopping day. So, we're going to La Vallée and then we're going to Galerie Lafayette and some other luxury stores in San Honor. We'll also go to Ami. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mabibili pa natin. Let's go! Hey guys! Whew! Pauwi na kami. Joke lang, hindi pala. We're going to San Honor kung saan kami pumunta yesterday. So we'll check yung mga official store nila kasi dito sa La Vallée, sobrang walang maganda. Wala kaming nabili kahit ano. What can you say since first time mo dito?
Not a lot of options. I mean, they do, but they're not really the nice ones. Like, it makes sense why they're in the outlet.
Ang init pa naman, saka medyo malayo yung lalakarin from the train station. Siguro mga 15 minutes or 10 minutes. But it's a good walk. Madaming calories ang na-burn. At good exercise and walang nagastos for today. Maybe later. So we'll see kung anong mabibili there. Galing kami ng YSL dito, walang maganda. Ooh, there's Isabel Marant. Maybe we can check this. But there's lots of brands here. There's even Ami Outlet, Gucci, all the brands that you think meron dito. We'll go to San Honor first. I mean, after this. Look at that. So freaking hard to choose. Cannot decide this thicker or this one. Nalalasing na ako. Pangalawang champagne ko na. Damage day 2. Bonsoir! We're back in our Airbnb at nakalimutan ko palang mag-fit check kanina pagkagising. But yeah, I just wanna share you my outfit. I'm just wearing this shirt, white shirt. Guys, di ako umulit ng shirt ha. Dalawa yung shirt ko and meron din akong black version. So this one is from Zara and then this super nice Levi's jeans that I got from Singapore. Ito yung kinuha ko. Guys, super nice ng fit niya. Straight cut na may pagka-fit. This is women's. And of course, this Margiela tabbies, super nice. Lastly, ginamit ko na yung bag na binili ko yesterday. I just wanna share you yung mga nabili ko for today. Rundown lang, we went to La Vallée. Unfortunately, wala kami napili or nabili doon kasi parang hindi maganda yung mga pieces na currently nandun sa mga store. But we went to San Honor, which is nandun yung mga stores talaga, yung mga physical stores talaga na malalaki. And I got something from YSL. I got a sunglasses. Actually, meron ng ka-shape to na lagi kong sinusuot na sunglasses from Gentle Monster, my favorite one. But it's very much the same, pero this one naman, syempre, it's from YSL. So, I'm going to sell that. If you guys are not yet following Pre-Larbs, you can check Pre-Larbs. I sell all my bags, pre-loved items, clothes, everything. So, check that out. But this is the sunglasses. So nice. Manipis lang yung pinaka-framing niya and very classic and classy. So yeah, that one. And actually, Craig got a boots. Meron akong tinitignan na boots. Actually, ako yung naghahanap ng boots. Pero ewan ko ba't siya bumili ng boots. We also went to Goyard. Bumalik kami kay Arta. Kasi, hindi ko alam kung gusto kong bumili na nung bandolier na parang kipal na bag niya. Na bag na nakita ko yesterday. But Craig got something there also. And we also went to Gallery Lafayette. Kasi may binili akong perfume. And then, yun lang. After this, we might go out to see Eiffel Tower. But we'll see then kung kaya pa ng energy namin. So, tingnan natin. Tanggalin ko ng sakit na ng paa ko. Buong araw kaming naglalakad. Yun lang. Oh my God. We were watching Rai Velasco's vlog and kumakain siya ng Wingstop. So, we ordered Wingstop. This one is their fries. Sobrang tagal ko nang gustong matikman do. And chicken, parang buffalo. And this one, what's this? Hickory barbecue. The other one is mango habanero. Tapos meron pang ranch sauce. More ranch sauce. Ranch. Oh my God. Let's taste. Lami. Jude, uy. We're going to eat the pasta din na niluto yesterday. Bon appetito. Bonjour. We are going to Disneyland today. This is what I'm wearing. Very comfy outfit. Quick fit check on shoes, pants. This white pants is from COS. Let's go again. And then this tank top is also from COS. Tapos this bucket hat is from LV, YSL, and bag also from LV. We're going to Disneyland. Mga 50 minutes travel time, pero hanap muna kami ng coffee shop to get some coffee while naglalakad. So, yun lang. Ang dami kasing coffee shop dito, so ang hirap maghanap. And, ayan yung outfit naman ni Craig. Wow. Sige. White ka pa ha. So, that's just it. We'll see you in Disneyland. Guys, we're finally inside Disneyland. Actually, there's two theme parks. There's Walt Disney Studio, which is, ito yung first namin. And next is... And the next one is, yung last namin is yung Disneyland main park kasi dun yung fireworks. By the way, we booked this via Klook. So, if you guys are interested to go here, you can use my code IamLarbsKlook for discount. Meron akong tip na sasabihin pagpasok namin kasi nasa entry na kami. Okay, we're finally inside. So, after there, papakita nyo lang yung voucher code nyo para makapasok kayo when you book it sa Klook. And then, yung tip na ibibigay ko sa inyo is that you need to download Disneyland app. May specific app yung Disneyland Disneyland Paris. So yun yung app na kailangan yung i-download. Meron silang fast pass. Pwede nyo i-book dun sa mismong app. Yung price niya is mga nasa 160 euros. For 2 na theme parks na siya. Meron ding 1 theme park lang. Meron ding per ride lang. So if you don't want to wait and skip the line, pwede nyo yun i-book dun sa app. Wala na sa Klook app yun. That's the tip. Medyo expensive lang. Iwas sayang oras. We're entering Walt Disney. Let's go. Hello! After Walt Disney, we are now inside Disneyland main park. It's so nice here. There's lots of kids wearing Disney princesses na dresses. So cute! That's the castle. Oh my gosh. This is the famous castle. And actually, kaya kami pumunta agad dito kasi we were rushing kasi gusto namin panoorin yung Lion King, but unfortunately, yung play hindi na kami aabot. So, we will just stroll around the area, tignan kung ano yung rides. And I really want to try Frozen World kasi nung nagpunta ako dito 2022, yung Frozen ginagawa pa lang, so I really want to experience that, and then after that we'll try different rides. And si Craig bumibili ng popcorn. It's super hot, so kung pupunta kayo ng ganitong month, make sure to bring sunscreen because grabe, sobrang init. Naghahanap nga kami ng umbrella kasi may nakita kaming isang guy, meron siyang hawak na umbrella, so but wala namang umbrella, so mag sunscreen na lang pag uwi or whitening lotion. Hello! Hindi na namin kinaya ang init sa Disneyland. Sobrang init, grabe. Kahit na meron bumili kami nung fast pass, di namin kinaya ang init. Premium pass pala. Di namin kaya ang init. So we've decided na pumunta na lang sa Stade de France kung saan mag-concert si Beyonce para bumili ng merch. Para sa Sunday, pag nanood kami ng concert, di na namin siya bibit-bitin. So kailangan ko bumili ng merch. Hindi pwedeng hindi. So naririnig na namin yung music dito. Kasi I think nag-start na yung concert. Sabi nila, 7:40 daw nag-start. And may mga followers din na nag-message sa akin. Ang sabi nila, hindi daw agad sila pinapasok and sobrang init. Yun pala, si Miley Cyrus, magpe-perform siya tonight. Sadly, hindi namin siya mapapanood sa last day kasi sa opening day siya magpe-perform. Sila yung makakapanood kay Miley. So, siya yung guest for tonight. And I think nag-start na sila. Grabe, may mga nakikita na ako. Mga horses and all here. Yung mga police, naka-horse sila. So cool. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga merch later. Can I also check the small? Yeah, sure. Oh my gosh! We might go to like okay, and just chill there. there's 40% discount plus the tax refund. So, meron akong 50% discount. The gods are with me today. Should I pull the trigger? Grabe sila mambudol. Should I?
Yeah.
Should I?
Yeah.
We are done for today. And finally, Raf is here. There. So we're going back to our hotel na. Super nice location talaga tong Mountain Avenue because this is the shopping area and ito yung hotel namin. And right beside us is Prada, Bottega. In front of us is Burberry. You will love it here. Also in front of us is Plaza Athene. And the best part of staying in this area is that Eiffel Tower is just at the back of our building. This is the Eiffel. This is our hotel. Tomorrow will be Karet Day. We just wanna chill, tambay sa Eiffel Tower and all. Tapos, yeah, today was a pretty tiring day. Galing kami sa Gallery Lafayette. I also went out kanina for lunch kasi I met Sebastian from the AMI team. I'm super happy because I have a VIP store visit again on Monday, so I'm super excited for that. And then, I'll bring my friends as well. And also, after that, we just waited for Raf. And then, nagpunta kami sa mga stores here. Actually, nagpunta kami sa YSL specifically kasi naghahanap talaga ako ng boots. And yun nga, napabili tayo. So, okay lang yun. It's something that I could keep forever sa closet. So, yun lang. That's all for today, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. We are now here in front of Karet. Sobrang haba ng pila. Ayan yung pila. And we're going to have brunch here kasi ito yung famous na yung hot chocolate and yung pastries nila masarap. So, we're going to try it. But I'm also stressing today kasi it's already June 21 and bukas na yung concert. Pero wala pa yung official ticket namin from Ticketmaster sa email. Ang haba ng pila, grabe. I'm still waiting and trying to contact their support. Sana makuha ko. Anyway, this is the view of Karet. So nice. Mukha siyang yung mga restaurant around Champs-Élysées, mga ganyan. Or basta nasa circle siya. Done with our brunch. We are here in front of Eiffel. Actually, 9 a.m. pa lang pero sobrang dami ng tao and may mga nagsushoot na rin. Sobrang dami nagsushoot. We're just looking for the perfect spot to shoot and then we'll just chill na. Kasi later, today pala yung yung parang festival na sobrang daming bands and music everywhere. We might go to San Hermand, which yun yung sinuggest ni Sebastian. And then, hanap din kami ng other bars pa. So we'll see. Super nice ng Eiffel. Look at my view, guys. Ooh. Bonjour. Today is Beyonce Day. So we need to do some exercise kasi tank top lang yung suot ko. So, para mas maganda yung fit, para mas pump ng konti. So let's do some push-ups. Okay, this is the look. Same lang nung sinut ko. The pants is custom denim, cowboy denim, Bang Pineda, Maurice hats. This one is from COS. Boots is from Zara. This belt I got from a vintage store sa Santa Lucia Mall. So, let's go! Oh my gosh. Hi!
Oh my God! Oh my God! There's a lot of talking going on. Oh my God! Let me make myself clear. Can you hear me?
Buongiorno! Today is our last full day here in Paris because tomorrow early in the morning we are going to south of France. Unfortunately, si Raf hindi siya makakasama. After south of France, kasi may school siya, magbi-Milan kami. Tapos we might go to Venice. I think baka ibang vlog na yun. But yeah, today din, galing ako sa isang patisserie. Siguro mga 500 meters yung nilakad ko. I bought cake because birthday ni Raf today. So surprise natin siya. Message. And yung regalo ko sa kanya is the Beyonce concert. So, yeah. Today, we are going to have a store visit, VIP store visit sa AMI. I'll meet Sarah from team ng AMI Paris. Yeah, store visit. So, I'm so excited kasi meron tayong discount and meron din tayong mga, sometimes they give freebies and so excited to shop. From yesterday, grabe, sobrang intense. For the first time and forever, guys, pumila kami sa initan. Just for Beyonce, grabe. Kahit na VIP, grabe. Lahat ng VIP, VIP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, lahat yan pumila sa initan. And yung iba 6 a.m. pa lang nandun na, or yung iba nag-camping pa. We came there ng 12, so crazy talaga yung beehive. And I met some beehives, mga katabi ko dun sa barricade because I was lucky to shove myself in front of that barricade para lang makaspot ako ng barricade. And yung gusto ko pa na possession yun na yung nakuha ko. It was fun. I met some people from Portugal. They flew pa. Some from Amsterdam, Netherlands, from Morocco. Ang dami nila from different cities and countries. And sobrang babait naman nila. Nung una, akala ko may aaway sa akin, but okay naman. Nagkaroon lang din ng konting drama because I was holding this Osmo Pocket for some few clips for my vlog, but I'm not trying to film the whole thing because ang haba noon, 3 hours yung show, hindi ko kayang gawin yun. So akala nila finifilm ko, so gusto nilang lumabas ako and kala ko i-confiscate nila yung camera ko, but kinuha lang nila yung isang sticker ko, pinapasok ulit nila ako pero in a different VIP area na. But I was able to go back to my VIP club hoedown. So I was able to finish pero hindi ko tinapos yung as in hanggang dulo talaga kasi alam ko na sobrang intense yung pag-uwi and nasabihan na ako ng mga tao. And dun pa lang sa train pa-uwi, sobrang as in siksikan na, as in MRT levels ng Pilipinas. But overall, I enjoyed. Would I watch again? I'm not sure with the heat and all. Pero yes. But I really, really, really enjoyed my surprise guest pa. Kasi sabi ng Beehive, Beyonce really loves Paris daw and French people. So talagang ino-all out niya. That's why in 7 years, first time ulit mag-perform ni Beyonce and Jay-Z together for Drunk in Love. That's the surprise song last night. It was all fun, unforgettable, and grave. I super enjoyed it. Yun lang, I'm so excited to shop today, so samahan niyo ako. Let's go! We're success! Happy birthday, Raph!
Thank you!
Happy birthday, Raph.
We're finally here. This is the new store. This is the flagship store. Hello. Hi. Hi, I'm Larby. Oh, so nice. Look at that. Oh my God. Happy de savoir. This is Craig and this is Raph. How are you?
Great. How
You
are
look stunning.
Thank you.
There's more pieces here. By the way, guys, this is Sarah.
Hi, bienvenue chez Ami Paris.
Bienvenue. Oh, this is nice. Let's try
And
it.
also the round ones we already had before, but the metal ones are new. Our new main bag, which is
Yeah.
the carousel.
It's nice.
This form is more unisex, but I always see people in Asia, like men.
Even
wearing
men?
Yeah.
This one?
Since you have the bag.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
the blooming collection.
Love it.
It's like
Very summer.
bathing suits,
Nice.
light materials.
Let's do the first. So we're entering the men's. This is the VIP room. So nice. You have your own room by yourself if you want to shop. I would wear this. It's quite heavy though. Still looks nice though. Oh. She also watched Beyonce yesterday. We were there. Her shirt, guys. Hey. I also bought some merch. I bought it first day of the show.
Yeah.
So that I won't have to carry it with me. Oh my gosh. Wingstop moment! Oh my God, our favorite. Guys, if you are going to Paris, don't forget to visit Wingstop. Ang sarap, grabe. Thank you, Lord. Bon appetito! I'll show you guys. Oh my gosh. Bonsoir. It's 8 p.m. already and we are going back to our hotel. Just a little update. We did a little shopping in Ami Paris. Sayang ang VIP. Meron tayong VIP discount because we are a friend of Ami, thankfully. Raph got something also from Ami.
Ami!
Also, Craig. Ami. So, nag-shopping kami. Kailangang sulitin. Pero konti lang. I got some shirt, shorts, and pants kasi sayang ang discount. And for little fit check, Hilsander Ami Paris pants, this jeans, and this Ami Paris shoes. Again, this is our last day here. And later, magpupunta kami ng...
Stop, baby.
After Wingstop now, we're heading back to our hotel and later magpunta kami ng Eiffel Tower. Hintayin namin mag-spark before we leave kasi yung papunta sa amin sa south of France, medyo maaga yung train namin. So, we'll bring you later sa sa Eiffel Tower. Let's go. We are here! So, kanina nag-spark na siya pagdating namin. But, nawala na rin agad siya kasi nagsaspark lang siya every hour for 5 minutes. So, intayin naming mag-spark siya. Ayan, nandito si Raph. Mag-shoot kami ng content. Dala niya yung cake niya.
Happy birthday to me!
So, yeah, I'll show you later kapag nag-spark siya. Okay? There, guys. We're just waiting for the Eiffel to sparkle. Thank you for watching this Paris vlog.
Thank you for celebrating for me.
Lagi siya kumakanta, no? So, dala namin yung cake niya. We were supposed to go sana dun sa mismong Eiffel, dun sa baba. But, we realized, mas malapit kami sa Seine River and sa bridge. Ang ganda niya kasi merong body of water. You see, mas romantic siya and mas hindi dirty kasi dun uupo ka pa sa grass. And it's more romantic kapag nagsasparkle siya. I really love Paris. I hope I can always go back here. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. This has been Larvs. I love you guys. Yay! I love you.